Foreign trade is the key to prosperity. Free trade will bring on a Great Depression.
A high tariff policy will lead to war.
Long ago, the world was divided into East and West. The West symbolized advancement and prosperity, while the East became associated with backwardness and poverty. But this view is certainly out of step with today's reality.
Why East Africa is the fastest growing region in Africa.
Kenya and Ethiopia on the verge of overtaking Nigeria and South Africa as Africa's economic giant.
Southeast Asian countries are emerging as major players in the global economy.
Countries in Africa and Asia are undergoing a transformation, and the face of many of these nations is changing. But as trade grows, so do international trade disputes.
One could easily foresee that there will be more trade and naturally more disputes to be settled.
This is the story of the people fighting to resolve disputes through a field of law known as international commercial arbitration.
Being exposed to international arbitration is not something you can avoid.
One of the most efficient means of dispute settlement is arbitration.
Arbitration always has been existed.
Arbitration has played a significant role for society and for growth.
ما يتميز به التحكيم هو المرونة وكذلك السرية.
Over the years, it has helped establish the foundations of commerce in the Afro-Asian region.
Afro-Asian relations are destined to solidify in the future.
But today, these nations are reaching a new stage in their economic evolution.
Asia is playing a major role now, investment and trade role, probably the primary role in all of Africa.
Some nations are becoming true superpowers.
That China has become the second largest economy in the world.
All the Africa of 10 years ago is not Africa of today.
Will international arbitration be able to keep up?
Asian African countries start to have a say in international relations.